So it's a strong start to the new year, and we've got good momentum ahead as far as price gains go. That'll bring opportunities, but it'll also bring challenges, particularly around affordability as we head into 2022. The last 3 months have shown a very significant step up in momentum that looks very well placed to sustain in 2021. We now think price growth will be more like 10% this year nationally. That compares to 4% when we first put our forecasts out back in September. A further 10% gain is in prospect for 2022. The momentum's pretty strong. The pattern right now is outperformance in the smaller capital markets, thinking Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, and to some extent Hobart, but also Canberra, Darwin. Regional areas are going very strongly. They're seeing the last 6 months price momentum has already been running at double-digit annual pace. Within the Sydney market, it's more varied. We still have these weak spots around units, particularly high-rise, particularly inner-ring suburbs, and to some extent that's in Brisbane as well. But outside of that, housing, so detached house prices are seeing very strong price gains, running at about a 10% annualised pace already, and that's still the bulk of the market for Sydney and Melbourne. The momentum will rotate a little bit as the vaccine rollout shifts the relativities between regions and more COVID-sensitive markets like Sydney and Melbourne. So we will see a tilt back towards those major markets away from the regions, and there are many subplots across the various regional markets, but the bottom line is we're in for a 2-year boom for prices, and it's all one way at the moment. The economy in terms of the backdrop is going to be outperforming in terms of growth, and the monetary policy is going to remain very stimulatory for the market as well, so a decent 2-year burst ahead.